In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your own stand in Please Donate and also how to accept Robux donations. Now the first thing we're going to do is close out of the Roblox client, and then you need to go and open up an internet browser. From the address bar, type in roblox.com and sign in with your Roblox account. You can then click on Create from the top navigation. Click on Creations in the left hand side, and underneath My Experiences you should see your default place. Go and click on this. You can then scroll down this left hand navigation and click on Passes. You'll then need to scroll down and click on Create a Pass. Now you can decide to upload your own custom image for your pass. I'm just going to leave this as the default image. You could then give your pass a name. So I'm just going to type in Please Donate Me, and then you can also enter a description and click on Create Pass. Once this has been created, scroll all the way down until you see your pass from the list. Go and click on it like so, and then click on Sales from the left hand navigation. You can then toggle on Item for Sale and enter the amount of Robux you want to receive as a donation on your stand. So I'm going to type in 500, and then you can press Save Changes. Now once you've done this, you can click on Back to Passes in the top left hand side, and you can basically create multiple passes, which are the buttons that will appear on your Roblox stand. Now I've already created a bunch of these, and these are the buttons that are going to show up on my stand. So once you've done this, you can head back into the Please Donate game, and once you're inside of a game, we just need to walk over to an empty stand and then hold down the letter E on your keyboard. Now once you've done this, all of the game passes that you've created should automatically appear on your stand, and people can now come over to this stand and go and donate these different Robux amounts. You can also hold down the letter E to edit your stand, and you can go and customize the text and the colors and things like that. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.